Hello guys, this is Shakib here. So today I'm gonna show you something very interesting. So we all know about the word puzzle game Wordle. So I was thinking about, is there any way I can write a Python script so that I can get the solution at like within the 6 attempts and like 100% accuracy. So today I have developed a Python script. So here's the Python script to solve the Wordle puzzle. So today I'm gonna test it for the live. I'm gonna solve today's Wordle puzzle. So let's get started. So if I just run this code, okay, so according to this script it says that use the brick as input 1. Okay, so let's write brick brick and press enter. Okay, I got 2 yellow letters. So for the green letters I got nothing, so I'll just keep it blank, and for the yellow letter I'll write I and C. And for use jumpy as the input 2, so I'll just write jumpy. Okay, if I just press enter I got nothing, so I'll just leave it as it is, blank. And for the third input I need to write vujht. If I press enter, okay, still I got nothing, so I'll just press enter, and this time for the input 4 I need to write glent. Okay, if I just press enter, okay, I got a green letter, so I need to write it as 4 underscore then T, because I got T as at the last position. So if I just press enter, okay, for the yellow letters I didn't get any yellow letters, so I'll just press enter. And for the fifth input I need to write waqfs. Yeah, so I'm a bit scary because I just got 2 yellow letters and 1 green letter, so I don't know it will work or not. So let's check it out. Okay, I got another green letter. It's in the second position and it's A. Okay, I just write. And for the yellow letters I didn't get anything, so if I just press enter it shows that the word should be take it. I don't know is it valid or not, so I'll just write it down and let's check it out. TSCIT. Okay, I don't know what will happen because I'm recording this live. And if I just press enter, oh wow, it worked. It works perfectly. Within the 6th attempt we got the answer. So thanks for watching the video. That's it from me. Have a good day.